Good morning guys, welcome back to Adventures with Rosy. We have come over to Napier for the weekend. We're staying in the Napier NZMCA park. We've come over, it's our wedding anniversary this weekend. Chelsea and I have been married 4 years now, so we thought we'd come over, get away for the weekend. We're going to go and find some brunch somewhere. You hungry? Yeah, let's do it. So it has got up to 32 degrees today over here in Napier. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm so sticky. We've come to Meanee Speedway. We are going to show take Harvey on his first Speedway experience tonight, which is pretty choice. It's actually the second most watched sport here in New Zealand, Speedway, aside from rugby. 1.5 million people a year come to racetracks like this in small parts of New Zealand and watch people drive around and hopefully crash into each other. The lovely ladies at the gate gave us this spot under the trees to park in, so we're going to chill here for a while, have a cheeky beer, and then hit the speedway. Good morning guys, from a rather windy day here in Napier. We are going to go for a bike ride, aren't we? And then we're going to find a fluffy, I think. You want a fluffy? Yeah. And a bike ride? Let's go!